Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Cloudflare Access for SSH with Zero Trust, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Cloudflare account and access to the Cloudflare dashboard. Log in to your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the Zero Trust dashboard. Select the Access section from the sidebar menu. Choose Applications to create a new application for SSH access. Click on the Add an Application button. Select Self-Hosted for the application type. Enter a name for your application, such as SSH Access. In the domain field, enter your SSH host's domain or IP address. Under Application Type, choose SSH. Scroll down to the Policies section. Click on Add a new policy. Define the policy rules based on your access requirements. Select the identity providers you want to use for authentication. Click Save to apply the policy settings. Now, go to your server where SSH is configured. Install the Cloudflare daemon by following the instructions in the Cloudflare documentation. Once installed, configure the daemon to work with your SSH service. Edit the configuration file for the Cloudflare daemon to include your application details. Validate that the configuration is correct. Start or restart the Cloudflare daemon to apply the changes. Now, open your terminal on the client machine where you want to connect from. Use the SSH command followed by your application domain. You will be redirected to the Cloudflare authentication page. Log in using your identity provider credentials. Once authenticated, you will be allowed access to your SSH session. You are now successfully connected to your server via Cloudflare Access. Make sure to test the connection and verify the accessibility. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section in the Cloudflare documentation. That's how you connect to Cloudflare Access for SSH using Zero Trust. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.